Well, hello guys, this is Nishkarsh Agarwal, and as you all know, we exploited VSFTPD 2.3.4 vulnerability with Metasploit in the last video, but that was just an old service of FTP running. We forgot to check FTP if we get anything, and most probably we'll be root. Hope so. So, let's not waste our time reinventing the wheel and let's get started. In order to start, all we just know is that we have to exploit FTP. But how are we gonna do it? Yeah, yes, finally got it. In order to connect to FTP, you can't even guess how simple it is. Easy. Just use the command FTP, then the IP and the port. And if it has anonymous login enabled, use anonymous as the username, and in the password field it's blank, null, or no password. So anonymous login is enabled, but there's nothing in it. So the last option which is left with us is that we have to brute force it. And you guys guessed it correct! We are gonna use Hydra for it. So for all of those who don't know what is Hydra, well, Hydra is an amazing password cracking tool which can brute force more than 50 protocols and services, including Telnet, FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, SMB, several databases, and much more. And blah blah blah. So, what are we waiting for? Nah.
What are you waiting for?
Let's get right into it. Well, before that, I was thinking of making another series instructing all the necessary and key tools that you should know about and also mastering them. If you want it, just like the video, and as soon as this video completes the like aim of 50 likes, I'll start working hard on the series and will publish the first episode very soon. All you just need to do is to like this video right now. I like it. I'm sure YouTube's gonna push this video ahead because he's my uncle's, nephew's, son's, brother-in-law's, neighbor's child. Back to the video. The command which is used to brute force the username and the password, because we don't know anything about it, is hydra-l user.txt -p password.txt IP FTP. Now what does that even mean? That make no complete sense. Then let me explain you. Hydra, which is the name of the tool. Of course, Nishkarsh, we know it. -l. Well, the small -l states that we know the username already, and then we have to specify the username instead of the user.txt or the dictionary file. But because we don't know anything about the username, the capital L will tell Hydra that please brute force this username because we don't know anything about it. The user.txt is the dictionary file which Hydra will take, and it will try every single word as the username for FTP on that IP until it finds the correct one. -p. Again, same with the username, it will take a dictionary file from us that we are gonna specify, and it will try to brute force the password for FTP, or in simple words, it will try every single word from that dictionary file as the password until it finds the correct password for that username. Pass.txt is the dictionary file which is used to brute force the FTP password. By the way, if we knew the password already, we will use -p, the small one, and then specify the password instead of the word list. And at the end, IP is the IP address of the target, and FTP is the service that we are using to brute force. So, let me execute the attack. And what do you think? Will we get the results or not?
Okay, so a little surprise for you all. Are you ready for it? 1, 2, 3, boom! I know I look like a kiddo, but we'll talk about this later. So, now the results are finally finished. Let's check them. Oh! We didn't get any results from the rocku.txt. What? So if we talk about the technical part, the word or the password wasn't there in the rocku.txt word list. So that's why it was unable to find it. But no problem, guys. This test was failed, but we'll try again using another different word list called seclist. Now, for all of those who don't know what is seclist, seclist is another popular dictionary file, or you can also call it as a word list, which is pretty common in the infosec world. Let's execute this attack, and I'm pretty sure I trust the Rocky word list this time. All we just need to do is to change the word list path from the last attack, and we're good to go.
What happened, Nishkarsh? Why are you crying?
Even after 2 attacks and trusting those word lists, I wasn't able to get anything. But no problem. Let me tell you what some people do. No offense. Or what should I have done in order to cheat you all when my attack doesn't work? I would have googled the default username and password for Metasploitable 2 and manually added it to the rocku.txt or maybe the seclist's big.txt word list, which will make you think that username or the password was already present there. And when I would have run the word list, it will make the results, it will turn the results positive.
Positive? Positive? Corona positive? देवियों और सज्जनों, बिहार के हप्सी जिले में इंसान तो इंसान भाई से भी हुई कोरोना पॉजिटिव.
Back to the video. But the point is, when you guys will try to do the same, you will be unable to do so because you don't have that username and password in the specific word list you scan for. That's pretty simple. So the conclusion is test failed. But no problem, guys. We tried and learned a lot from it. And that's what really matters at the end. Not to succeed, but to grow and enjoy the journey.
Hey! Wait a minute. We can't resume back to the video. You know what? I got a man. Let's go talk to him. Hey, man. What's your name? Oh, my name is Santa. Santa what? It's not Santa. It's Santa. Oh, Santa. Yes, Santa. And I'm not here to give you gifts. Hey, leave all that stuff. Yes, just tell me what I told you some time ago. Yes, you guessed it right. He was paid. So, long time ago, I don't have the whole day here. Just tell me in short. So, I was sleeping and I saw something in my dreams. Yeah, what? What was it? What did you just saw? I saw. Looks like he's dead. So, Let me continue him. By the way, he's still alive. So, he saw that 91% of you guys watching this video right now are not subscribed. What are you doing, guys? now, now just go subscribe to the channel right now. Video in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. So where was I? We're here to learn. We're here to grow. And in that journey, we'll fail and again and again. We'll fail, fall, go wrong, but won't give up and function again. We won't stop learning from our mistakes, and at the end, we will rise up.
Alright. Enough for the motivational video. Let's get back to the work. Imagine that we got the username and the password, yes, ooh la la, by so-called blah 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 reasons. Now, if we log in using the same credentials, well, we can get some useful files which will help us to get root. But in order to respect the length of the video,
That's all for today, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Wait. Enough pretty and heavily updated videos you've seen right now on my channel. I don't think those forest of gifs or maybe those pretty bad jokes gonna help build a future of yours in pen testing in the infosec field. Because the stuff in YouTube channels right now is pretty much unsorted and it can't help getting proper knowledge required in the infosec field. So I'll be completely changing the way my YouTube channel was going right now because I have a bunch of topics to be covered. And it takes me a hell amount of time. Now, what does that even mean? More videos, improved consistency, faster uploads. But again, I respect your value of interest. But if you are an enthusiast like me, who is willing to learn as much as possible from as many sources as possible, and won't differentiate between an interesting video like the way I made them right now, animations, GIFs, jokes, and stuff like that, and the content rich videos with face cam and maybe with just screen sharing. So what exactly am I gonna change in my channel? Well, pretty much everything. It's gonna be a huge update. Be sure if you liked my videos right now, you're gonna love them in the future. Bye bye.